Hello everyone, and welcome back to A Head Full Wealth. Today we're going to talk about a topic that's crucial for your financial future, Roth IRAs. But before we dive in, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss our financial tips and advice. So what exactly is a Roth IRA? IRA stands for Individual Retirement Account, and the Roth part refers to a specific type of IRA that's named after Senator William Roth, who introduced the legislation that created it. A Roth IRA is a special retirement account where you pay taxes on money going into your account, and then all future withdrawals are tax-free. That includes the principal you deposited and any growth that happens while it's in there. Yes, you heard that right. It is tax-free. Now you might be wondering, why would I pay taxes now instead of later? Well, it all depends on your financial situation and your expectations for the future. Do you believe that taxes are going to go up? Are they going to stay the same, or are they going to go down? So if you're young and or in a lower tax bracket now, or you believe that taxes are going to increase greatly in the future, then a Roth IRA could be a great choice for you. You pay the taxes now at what is, we think, a lower rate, and then you enjoy the tax-free withdrawals when you're in a higher tax bracket during retirement. For us in the military, much of our allowances, for instance BAH, is tax-free already, and that puts us in a much lower tax bracket than our civilian counterparts. That often means that a Roth IRA makes a lot of sense for many military members and makes the tax savings extremely attractive for us. On the other hand, a traditional IRA means that you make contributions with pre-tax dollars, meaning you get a tax deduction now, but you'll pay taxes on the money when you withdraw it in retirement. If you can't max out the accounts, sometimes that's the better option because you get more money into the account with the pre-tax dollars. So when does it make sense to use a Roth IRA instead of a traditional IRA? Well, it depends on your current income, your expected income in retirement, and your overall tax situation. Often, it's not a either or, but a combination of the two throughout your lifetime that makes the most sense. If you expect to be in a higher tax bracket in retirement, a Roth IRA might be a better choice. If you're currently in a high tax bracket, that means that the traditional IRA may be a better choice for you now. And again, this may change over time, so you'll need to reevaluate it. Also, remember, everyone's situation is unique, and it's important to consider all factors and possibly consult with a financial advisor before making a decision. But understanding the basics of Roth IRAs is a great first step towards securing your financial future. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember, your journey to financial freedom starts here. Thanks for watching.